ubaba ngabe usehappy yini ngezinqumo engizithathayo ngempilo yami nasekhaya lami ukuthi indlela uNkulunkulu asibusise siyiyona singashintshi kuyona manje ngibona ngathi ngiyamfeyila uNkulunkulu.
Yeah, it is important, my daughter, ukuthi when you feel in your spirit umoya kaNkulunkulu uyisibani sikaNkulunkulu ongaphakathi kumuntu, when you feel ukuthi umoya ongcwele okuwe uyakujaja nomoya ongcwele okuwe ukwenza ungahlaliseki, change kulokho ukubona ukuthi awenzanga kahle.
I think anger has grown up to be a hatred.
Yeah.
Isigcinela sengifika khona, and mina I'm not a hateful person, but I realized ukuthi this time sekufike la ngisho khona ukuthi everything nje angisenandaba with a particular person or people because of isimo engithi ebesebengenze ngaze ngagcina sengifinyelela kusona. So ngamkhuleka uNkulunkulu, and then ubaba yesterday was talking about forgiveness. I challenge baba enginayo eyokuthi njengoba sekungifike kulesi stage se hatred, ngiyamthemba uNkulunkulu ngimcelile, but it is not easy. And what makes it more ukuthi as ngizophuma la emagcekeni ngibuyele emuva ngibuya ngibe triggered. And how do I now maintain ukuthi I know ukuthi uNkulunkulu wenzile umsebenzi, because I have asked God ukuthi uNkulunkulu susa leli bala elihlupha umoya wami. How do I do it? How do I maintain it?
Kuyingozi kubuhlungu ukulinda kanti ulindile lo muntu omlindile uqhamuka kude uyeza hayi ukuthi akenzi. Kwenza ukuthi uzunyanyiswe noma ulinyazwe izinto engabe azikulimaze ube nomlindile ufike on time. Into engiyaziyo yinye ukuthi moya ongcwele have to unlock everything oyikhulekelile kuNkulunkulu so that lezi zinto ezikhathaza zingaphindi zikhathaze, ngoba you've been waiting waiting line, and the waiting line ngobuhlungu mawulindile kulayini, mawulindile nje kulayini. Don't worry my daughter, sawufike khona ngengathi the age of sin grows bigger towards the age of testimony. And ngiyazi awudingi ukusolve isimo, but udinga uNkulunkulu avedana akukhumbule sewulinde isikhathi eside. Be blessed.
Ngine challenge yabantwana ekwenzekeni kwezimo zonke, kusho ukuthi kunama offense awu 10 enzeke ngenyanga eyodwa. Awasenakhaya lawa 8. Angazi ukuthi ngenze njani from now ukubheka phambili, but nginotice into ethi after ukuhamba kwabazali babo bayaphumelela. Umunye uphasile umatric, into engakazi iphaswe umuntu ngomhla ka10, omunye ugraduate oaye kwi-forensic. The two esele ekhaya itholile kulento yama EAs, but nginento ethi angazi ngenza kanjani ukuthi babe nekhaya because bazalelwe ekhaya kubo.
Don't worry, bazoba nekhaya. It will be akuzukuba unyaka oza ngalo landelayo bazobe benekhaya, bobenze opening party, it will be September.